Is the internet a good thing or a bad thing? We are done with that. It's just a thing. How to maximize its civic value, its public good, that's the really big challenge. We are all now connected by the internet like neurons in a giant brain. Good morning, I Khushi Ahir, along with the team of Shubha's House, are here to conduct today's morning assembly based on internet and its effects. A thought is considered as the result of mechanisms that are responsible for the representation and processing of information as like as the internet. So for thought, here I call Janish.
Good morning to one and all present over here. Today's thought of the day is be a positive energy trampoline, absorb what you need and rebound the rest. I would like to repeat my thought. Be a positive energy trampoline, absorb what you need and rebound the rest. Thank you and have a nice Friday.
Now I call Navya to expand our vocabulary with a new word.
Good morning. Today's my word of the day is cyberspace. CYBERSPACE. Cyberspace is that space in which user can share information and interact with each other. I repeat my word, cyberspace. Thank you.
Navya, we can access the latest news from any part of the world without depending on the TV or newspapers through internet. Internet has helped Samriddhi to get the news and Samriddhi is going to help us by updating us with the news.
Morning. Today's news headlines are as follows. National news. Swati Maliwal molestation case. CM Arvind Kejriwal hits out of Delhi LG. International news. Ukraine war news live update. Ukraine announces US $2.5 billion in new weaponry munitions for Ukraine. Taliban publicly cuts off hands of 4 people accused by theft. Sports news. India vs Wales Hockey World Cup. India beats Wales. Second, Sania Nehwal versus China Shen Yufei Indian Open live streaming when where to watch. Weather news. Today's maximum temperature is 14 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 31 degrees Celsius.
Thank you, Samriddhi. As they say, every coin has two sides. And if we talk about internet, there are many good as well as bad effects of it. So to share some of these effects, here is Shriva.
Of internet are as follows. First, provides effective communication. Second, helps in online transactions. Third, saves with options like online banking and shopping. Fourth, can get access of internet. Every good thing comes with some side effects. There are some bad effects of using internet as well. Some of them are: first, loss of quality of life. Second, it harms social relations. Third, lack of sleep. Fourth, could be linked to depression. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubham. Now let's check your knowledge about internet. So for quiz, here is Prabhakar.
Good morning everyone. Today's quiz questions are as follows. The use of electronic communication to bully a person is called... Yes, it's cyberbullying. Second, the business of buying and selling things over internet is called... Answer is e-commerce. Third, a company that provides subscribers with access to internet is known as... No, it's internet service provider. Fourth, who first term as used word internet? The answer is Windcraft. Fifth, the World Wide Web was proposed by... The answer is Tim Berners-Lee. Sixth, the word URL stands for... The answer is Uniform Resource Locator. Seventh, which among the following is not a web browser? First, Google. Second, Chrome. Third, Facebook. Fourth, web browser. Yes, it's Facebook. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Prabhakar. To talk more about our today's assembly topic, as well as aware and guide us about it, I invite Richa ma'am for Teacher's Talk.
Principal Sir, Supervisors, my dear colleagues, and my dear students. As today's topic is good use of internet. It is very common topic and very common word among you people, that is internet. After Corona, or I will say before Corona, first of all I will talk about before Corona. Before Corona, the use of internet, that the users of internet in our India are very less, but after Corona, the users of internet are becoming very much more. Yes, see this bar graph, the use of internet users in India is just increasing exponentially. In India, there are 40 million total internet users, 60% of the population in the year 2022, and it is only 357 million, that is 27% of population in the year 2017. So this is the drastic change that we are observing in our, not only in our India, but entire world. The use of internet is increasing day by day, because we are knowing that before Corona, the percentage of internet is very much less, but during Corona it will become essential part. Each and every, especially if we will talk about the students, each and every student has to bring or has to take their handset or any tab or any laptop, because at that time, at that situation, the this use of internet is very much essential. Because of that only, the online classes were conducted successfully. But as the coin has two sides, at the time of using this internet, how much you have used this internet facility wisely, that all of you are knowing. During the online classes, we have observed many times that at the time of class, we are conducting the class, the student is present although, but if the teacher is asking any question, no reply is there. That means what? You are busy in any other activity, or you are using any other, you are just using the different, either WhatsApp or Twitter or etc. So the use of internet is in your hand. Without the use of internet, it is not, our life is something, it is not possible nowadays. But it is in your hand. How much percentage you are using the internet? From recent study, it is observed that between the age of 15 to 25, that means the youngsters in our country, they are online for 8 hours. They are online for 8 hours. So it is very big question, how much you have to use the internet. It only depends on you. Okay, so because your exams are coming in the next month, how much percentage you have to use the internet, that all depends on you, because your remote is in your hand. How you have to control from yourself, it is only or only in your hand. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to hand over the mic to Sandhya, ma'am.
Good morning everyone present here. respected advisor sir, supervisor ma'am, dear teachers and students. I'm here to update you all with an information and that is important too. Inter-house cricket competition 2022-23 is going on and yesterday we had a match between Shubhash and Shivaji House. And can you guess who won the match? Yeah, this is Shubhash House who won the match. Congratulations, Shubhash House. Next in line, I'm here to announce the man of the match. And Dutt Patel is chosen as the man of the match. Dutt, we would like you to come up on the stage. Come on. Please clap for Dutt. Congratulations, Dutt. God bless you. Dutt Patel made 33 runs and he took 2 wickets also. Now the most important thing to announce here is that final match we are going to have on 26 January. On the auspicious occasion of 26 January, we'll be witnessing a great match. All the dignitaries, advisors, sir, ma'ams, everybody, the chief guests, everyone will be present there to witness that grand competition, the match, the event. This is all what I wanted to say. Have a frightful Friday. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Today's well-dressed students are Shubham and Navya. Appreciate them with a round of applause. One of our maid is celebrating her birthday. I invite God group to wish her by singing a birthday song.
Good morning to all of you. Children, now these days we are having the celebration of the Joy of Giving Club, and each one of you is expected to donate. When we say that each one is expected to donate, let me clarify this point to you. In the society when we are living, we have to serve to the society. We all serve each other, and in that it is our duty that we should donate something. It is a very, very important task of the life. It's a very important mission, and this temperament should come in you, the joy of giving. If you see, we were having a discussion about the internet, this and that. These companies, they have changed the scenario of the world. They are the biggest donor of the world. Bill Gates is the biggest donor of the world. He donates more than 7,000, 8,000 crore every year. Very simple logic. He says that I decided one day that I am going to have this business and I expect this much. and I am getting more than that. I am getting more business. I am getting more profit. So this profit more, which I was not expecting, this more profit I am returning to society in the form of charity. You see the Ajim Premji, the biggest donor in our country, the founder of Wipro, the founder of Infosys, Narayan Murthy, they have changed the society. Such big donors. You look Mukesh Ambani, is a big donor. Okay, you see the great personality of the country when they when they earn name, fame, accordingly they donate to the society. They return back to the society. So the art that whatever we are in this society, we are not alone, we cannot live alone, we have to live in group, and those are needy and poor, and if we are better than them, then we should contribute. Children in 1950s, in 1955, 1960s, our population was 50 crore, okay, and we were not having the sufficient grains in our country. And at that time, our Prime Minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, at that time in 1965 or so, she came with an idea that we will have a fast, one day fast. The whole country was observing fast for one day on Monday. But they decided that we will not take grains from the other countries. And later on they come up with the green revolution, and a lot of changes were made, this Amul dairy, this cooperative, then agriculture revolution. Today we are more than 135 crore. We are surplus of the grains. That's how this revolution has come. And in this entire revolution, we should always feel that in the society what best we can do. So this is not a thing which you are donating. It is the value which we want to imbibe in you. It is not like this that you have to give a big donation. You give anything, let it be cost only 1 rupee. But you should give that by derive a joy out of that. Yes, you have done something good for society. That is the value is important. Whatever article you are giving, how much you are giving, I am not much concerned for that. And donation, and the beauty of the donation is that when somebody is donating, he should never reveal to anyone. It should not be a self-praise. कि मैंने इतना donation दिया है and other is going to have more donation or some sorts of a competition. ऐसा कोई competition नहीं होना चाहिए. Whatever you are giving, give it silently and that should be known to you only. उसकी praise मत करिए, उसकी publicity मत करिए. There is a saying का जब हम दाएं हाथ से दान देते हैं, when we give donation by right hand, बाएं हाथ को भी पता नहीं होना चाहिए. That is how we say that whatever donations you are giving, it should be secret. It should not be known to the public. So my sincere request to you, because this is a very auspicious the time of the Uttarayan, and in this giving donation is considered to be very pious. So each one of you should contribute to the joy of giving club, and see to it that by tomorrow or by Monday, whatever you can do, you should do that. It is not the question of the amount, it is not the question of the quantity, it is the question that you should have that temperament of joy of giving. We want to inculcate that habit of joy of giving, that temperament of joy of giving. I hope that each one of you will definitely inculcate the temperament of joy of giving. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Here, I conclude the assembly by saying that internet can take you to the positive as well as negative side. It's on you which side you choose. So be careful to choose your way. Thank you and have a nice day.
Stand up, all of you. Right. Steady. Right. Attention.